Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to properly save and share your CapCut PC project files. Now, here's one of my practice projects. Let's say I want to save it and share it later. But if you've noticed, CapCut doesn't actually have a regular Save button. That's because it automatically saves your work. You can see it saving up here on the left side. Let's name this project Project A, just to keep things clear. Now, if I close CapCut, you'll see the project is there and saved automatically. Pretty handy, right? But here's the catch. You can't share this auto-saved file easily with others, and worse, if you accidentally delete the source files, the project won't open properly. So, here's how to fix that and save your project as a standalone, shareable file. First, reopen your project. Let's pretend the editing is done. Now, click anywhere outside the timeline or preview area. On the right side, you'll see your project details. Click Modify, then make sure to check the option that says Copy Media to Project. What this does is simple. It copies all the media used in your project, like videos, music, images, effects, everything, into one folder. That way, even if you delete the original files from your computer, the project will still work because the copies are saved inside that folder. Make sure you note down the folder path so you can find it later. Then, hit Save. Next, head over to that folder. You'll see a file named Project A. That's your project file with everything inside. Now, you can copy this folder and move it anywhere, like your Documents folder or an external drive. To test this out, I'm going to delete the original project from CapCut. Gone. But don't panic. Let's go back to our saved backup. Open the folder, go to the Resources folder, then Local, and you'll find all the media files used in the project. You can now share this entire folder with anyone, and they'll be able to open the project on their computer without missing files. Let me move this folder back to its original location and open CapCut again. And there it is. Our project is back, working perfectly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, drop a comment saying, "I subscribe," so I can personally thank you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.